I'm making an 3-ingredient apple dessert for fall. Oh my goodness, so delicious. So I'm gonna take my apples and I'm gonna cut them up so they're just a little bit smaller. Now you can cut these up in the crock pot if you want. I just do it in the can. You don't have to cut them up, but I just like to. Then we're gonna take our canned biscuits.
This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now.
And we're gonna cut them in quarters. Oops. Just like so. Now I line this with a crock pot liner just to see how it works. I don't know, might work good. I got my whipping cream. Recipe is in the description below. If you want more apple recipes, check out our applesauce cake at Dining on a Dime, Volume 1. The recipe is in the description below for this. And you can grab our cookbook at livingonadime.com. Okay, now I'm gonna stir this all together. Oh my goodness, this looks so delicious. Okay, here we go. Then put this on and we are going to cook it. And let's see how it turns out. Okay, got it all done. Oh my goodness. That looks so delicious. Okay, my hubby is gone, so I have the unfortunate task of taste testing. Oh, that is darn tootin' good. Oh my goodness, you gotta love apple in the fall. I am testing a 2-ingredient cheesecake. Now I don't count oil in my video, so if you want to count your oil, you can, but it is cinnamon roll and cheesecake filling. Now, Pam sent me this. I just thought, oh, I gotta give it a try. So, this is the cinnamon rolls. My family loves these. Remember the days when they used to be $1, guys? Okay, so now she rolled them out, but I think what I'm gonna do is smush. Just like so. So I'm gonna smush it like that, I think. I don't know. We'll see how this works. This sounded so delicious. Now, in the recipe that she sent me, she said that it rolled it out and that they kind of fell apart a little bit. So that's why I was individually doing this. I'm gonna see if it will like work into my pan. They also used a square pan and I'm using a round one. So am I following the recipe at all? Of course not, I'm Tara, that's what I do. I don't know, if you guys like the way I cook, just kind of throwing it together, could you give me a thumbs up and subscribe and share this video, guys? Okay, so now I'm kind of smushing it out as much filled in as I can. You see how I'm doing that? I'm just kind of squishing it all in there. I have no idea if this is gonna work. Pam said it would work, so we'll believe Pam. Yeah, probably some will seep out there, but I don't know. That's pretty close. And so then I've got this no-bake cheesecake that I had from another recipe. Of course, I'm Tara, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bake it. Okay, let's see. Spread this around. See if I can get something. Okay. Now, you could put pie filling in here too if you want. And I have some left over, but I'm making another canned biscuit recipe with it, so I'm just gonna do this one for the moment. Okay, so now we got 4 more that we're gonna smush out pretty thin. Just go as thin as you can. See how thin I got that? That's pretty thin. Then if it falls apart, you can just kind of put it back together, just like so. I think it's the funniest thing. Anytime I do this with my hands, not everybody, but there's always several people that are like, well, did you wash your hands? I mean, do you guys really need me to show you washing my hands before I do this stuff? I mean, if you really want me to, I guess comment and let me know, but kind of assumed it was just a given that people wash their hands before they start cooking, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. There's a first time for everything. Okay. Okay. 2 ingredients. We're gonna see how this turns out. Now we're gonna put this in the oven. And the recipe on the website says 350 degrees. So we're gonna throw this in the oven and see what happens. Okay, so here is my cheesecake, and I have frosting that I'm just drizzling over top. Mike's not here. And one of my favorite sons is dying for a taste, so I will give him a piece and then come back and have Mike test it. Oh, that looks pretty good. All right, here you go, son.
Wait, whoa, one of your favorite sons? I thought I was your only favorite son.
You are, Dave, but don't tell BJ. It might hurt his feelings.
Oh, okay. I'm taking.
We have to be considerate of others' feelings.
Okay.
So this is 2-ingredient cheesecake bake or something. I don't know. What did Jack think of the cooked part?
I didn't try this. Here, Jake.
Oh, you didn't try this one? Oh, okay.
This is the 1-ingredient cheesecake
I had
for the bake.
I had BJ trying this one.
Oops.
Okay, so tell me what you think of this. I need to add 5 more minutes to cooking time on this too, but
What?
that's okay. I'll add it in the
first,
recipe.
Jack? Might be my cupbearer. Do you want to try it first and be my cupbearer? All right.
Okay, somebody in the comments type in that Bible verse. You're not a huge cheesecake person, but I tested
Actually, I
it.
love cheesecake, and this is really good.
I'm dairy-free, but I tested it anyway, and oh my goodness, it's really good.
Actually, I didn't used to be a cheesecake person,
But
for
now you
weird
are?
kid reasons. But now I love it.
Well, you must since you're having
I just have to not love it too much because I'm loving too much food too much.